will I fail my driver's test if I forgot I didn't hear the instruction? In other words, student asking, if they did not hear the instruction the instructor has given them and do something else, will they fail their road test? Well, the answer to this is all depend. You're making a left turn here at this intersection here. This is all depend. What I mean by all depend, let's say the instructor says you're making a left turn, at the light or at the corner, and you go ahead and making a right turn on a do not enter on a one-way street. That's an automatic disqualification. Am I going with this? That's an automatic disqualification. Let's say the examiner says that we're gonna pull over here to do parallel parking, and you go ahead and do a 3-point turn or bring the car in to get ready to do a 3-point turn. That may not be a complete disqualification. However, it depends on the situation. You see what I'm saying? So if the examiner tell you to do something and you didn't hear it, you deliver something else. Depending on how you deliver may determine whether will the examiner let you go through with the test or will that consider a fail. Because if what you've done, what you thought you heard and you've done is contrary to what you're supposed to do at the test and can be on the arm's away to someone else, then that's a straight disqualification. We have seen it. Let me give you another example, right? The instructor said we're making a right turn at the light, and you signal left, you're on the right lane, and you signal right, you're on the right lane, but you wanna make a left turn. That's a problem. Because reason right, you signal to your right, you're on the right lane, you wanna go to making a left turn, that's not good. If it's a 2-lane street per se, traffic is on the other side. Now it become problem for the side of the traffic. You see what I'm saying? That you can do that too, that's a problem. Sometimes also there is people that buying time. The examiner getting hip to that. Buying time. What do I mean by buying time? When I get the time to do the thing that the instructor, right turn here, the instructor tell them to do, and they use that to the advantage. Let me give you an example, right? The instructor said, oh, we're gonna pull over to do a parallel parking. I'm sorry, what was that? You see? Ask the examiner, I'm sorry, what was that? By the time you said, I'm sorry, what was that? You already passed on the part that the examiner telling you that to do the parking. See what I'm saying? Now that's giving you time to set up to get the parking done the right way. The examiner knows those games too. All right? So I want to share that with you because, you know, they've been doing this for years. So they're on top of their game, just like we are on top of our game. We're looking for things that make sense to us. So they are. You know what I'm saying? So I want to make sure we understand that. If that's what you do, the examiner will get hip to that and bring you right back around. See what I'm saying? The examiner will cash on to that quick and bring you right back around. You buying time. They ain't got time for that. See what I'm saying? You buying time, they do not have time for that. Bring you right back around, sir. Unable to follow instruction. Although said you couldn't hear it, then that's your business. Unable to follow instruction, they'll bring you back, the test will be over from there. See what I'm saying? If you really not buying time, you really did not hear and do something else, the examiner will say that, they may understand. But people that are buying time, they will hear that. Because let's go throughout the 10 minutes, you didn't hear 3 things, then there's something wrong. So I'm saying the test is only 10 minutes. The test is 10 minutes or less. Within that 10 minutes, I give you 3 instructions, you missed in 3 instructions, then something is off. So I'm saying, folks, then something is up. It's off. And the examiner will pick it up. And the examiner will pick that up quick. All right, folks? Can I write down here? The examiner will pick that up quick. So if this is you, that sound like you, or you've done this in the past, then it's gonna be a problem, okay? If you've done this in the past, then it's gonna be a problem. As long as you're not doing it in that manner, then that's not a problem at all right? So if we met here for the first time, my name is Ben with Pierre. I'm an instructor at Pierre Driving School, and this channel we do everything driving. If you're new here, you may consider to subscribe and hit the notification bell, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. If you personally have something you want me to cover, put in the comment below. That's where we have most of our video topic coming from the thing that you guys asking us to do. Then we go ahead and make a video. We're gonna answer you in a video format. We posted it here three times a week, every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. And every morning we answer the question that you guys are asking. Okay, so we based here in New York City, especially Brooklyn, but we cover the entire New York. We serve the entire New York area, and we do that, and we do that in an efficient way that we can make sure we help as much people as we can to get the driver license, because we understand that getting your license in the U.S. is one of the biggest gifts that someone can get, because license one way or another can enhance your life or enhance someone else. Okay, we always answer that question, and we continue with our lesson as always. We're making a left turn here at this traffic light. Is an intersection left turn. We're gonna pull into the middle until the thing is clear. Then from there, pull into the middle. No traffic coming to my left. Me or left. Shoulder left. No traffic. Traffic is off my black. We do a verification shoulder. Then we pull up from there. All right. We're here by the student house here, I believe. Yes, we're here to pick up students, and we pick up and drop off, and we start lesson as early as 6 a.m. in the morning and as late as 7 p.m. in the night. Okay. As a matter of fact, let me do park here. All right, shoulder right. We're gonna bring it here. Let's do parallel parking here, folks. Let's do it together. Parallel parking here. Get next to the car. Okay. Put into reverse. One full turn. Do mirror verification. Mirror right, shoulder right. Then we're going back here. We're doing the parallel parking here. Until, see? Beautiful. We got back here. Like do it all the way to the left. And continue to go back. Look behind you. Back and forth. Back and forth until the car comes to a straight line up. Okay. Put the car into drive. 1.5 to the right. Pull up a little bit here. Put the car into parking. There you have it, folks. This is how we do parallel parking here in New York City, and this is how we train people. But we get you more, we get you very comfortable. The way I put it up is because I've been doing it. I get a little comfortable with it. But as we train you, we'll make sure that you get to the same level, even better, because we want you, after you pass your road test, to be able to go places by yourself and start driving on your own without the guidance of anybody. If you're new here, drop on the comment. Thing you want us to cover. Until then, keep practicing. This has been Pierre Driving School. Take care now, folks. Bye bye.